Like I'm telling you.
The vibes. Basically, okay, let's do this. Hey guys, just watched the whole rack of my laundry that I just folded fall to the ground. That's great. Why don't they have dryers in Europe? Why? Okay, anyway. So I did a poll recently asking you guys what type of content you want, and I think I got 90% votes for Europe vlogs or Spain vlogs because I am currently in Spain. So I'm gonna be switching up my content a bit and doing some Spain vlogs. Don't worry, I'm still gonna have my usual DJ mixes every week. And I just saw a comment like 10 minutes ago being like, I'm so excited to hear your voice. I've never heard it before, which is crazy to me that you guys like haven't heard my voice if you have been on my channel for like a year now. It's just coming all full circle because I used to make vlogs all the time in high school. I mean, I'm 24 now, so it's obviously been a minute. So basically I've been traveling for since February. It's May now, so February, March, April, 3.5 months now. Oh my god, it's been a lot. It's been amazing, but it's been a lot. So I'm originally from America. I'm from Florida, and I moved to Spain back in February with my boyfriend, Mateo. And basically, his lease was ending. I was living at home at the time, so I didn't have a lease. And we both 100% work remotely, and that's basically how we were able to do this, like come and live in Spain. So he runs his own e-commerce business, and I make videos for an engineering college back at home, and I work 100% remotely for them. He's his own boss and works 100% remotely. So we were like, it, let's move to Spain. We went on a week-long trip. It was, I think, April of last year, April of 2023, and we were obsessed with Spain. It's so beautiful here. The people are really nice. The food is great. The culture is very, very laid back. Prices here also, let me tell you, coming from America to Spain, the prices here are amazing. Rent here is so cheap. Groceries here are so cheap. There's just all like a very, very good affordable price. So it's a beautiful place that we can live and afford, which is amazing. And we could also have the experience of trying to learn Spanish, which I am learning. I will say that. I'm on day 126 of Duolingo. Am I still a beginner? Yes. Am I still like an age 2 or 3 year old in Spanish? Probably, but I can read menus a lot better now. I can obviously talk to service people quite easily, and luckily most people in Spain like do have general knowledge of English, so we've been fine. It's been such a great experience just being around people that are completely from a different culture. Very fun, very eye-opening. So yeah, we moved back here February 11th, moved to Valencia, had an Airbnb there for 7 weeks. So basically 2 months we lived in Valencia. When I tell you, I think Valencia is my favorite city we have been in so far in Spain. It is so beautiful. You guys need to visit if you're thinking of, you want to go to Spain, but you don't know where to go. I really do recommend Valencia because you have the mix of the beach and the city. So you honestly have the best of both worlds of nature and city. And it's like a big enough city where there's always something to do, but it's not overwhelming. And it's a lot of young people, great prices. Like I said, you have the beach. So if you're looking for a beachy vacation, obviously you can have some beach days there. And there's also the city of Valencia as well. So yeah, I loved Valencia. Then after that, we stayed with Mateo's grandparents for a week in Altea, Spain. Then after that, we came to Marbella, which is where I am now, which is in the southern part of Spain. Stayed in Marbella for a week. Then from Marbella, we went to Marrakesh for a week, Morocco, which was also really cool. And now we are finally back in our own place, our own Airbnb for the whole month. We're staying here in Marbella, and then we are going to Turkey for the whole month. We're gonna be going to Istanbul, so obviously I will keep vlogging. If you guys like these travel vlogs, I think Turkey will be amazing. I don't know much about it, but I'm also very excited. So yeah, we're in Marbella right now, and we're gonna have this Airbnb until the end of May. So I'm just gonna be vlogging. I think I'm gonna be doing like some weekly vlogs for you guys. I just wanted to sit down and share with you guys like kind of like our backstory and how long I've been traveling, just so you guys know a little bit more about me. obviously I love music, I love DJing, I love techno, love house music. I think you guys can tell. But YouTube has been a great way for me to stay motivated to practice every week. And besides that, I've loved making videos since I was about like 15, 16 years old. I've been obsessed with video editing and producing videos. So it kind of just combined my two favorite things in the world, which is making videos and music and DJing. So I guess three favorite things. But yeah, I'm super excited to start vlogging. I'm also going to start being a lot more active on Instagram and TikTok if you guys want to see more like short form vlog content / random personal content. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little update of what's going on, and I'm going to take you along for my week in Marbella, Spain. Let's go.
Oh baby, it's a shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're bad for my health, I swear you go to hell. Take the L, I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now, baby, but we don't want no homicide now, do we? And shooting my soul so loud, are you happy now? Cause I really hate you. You made me so blue, and I promise to God I'll cut you off. But I really need you, and I really don't want to, yeah. But we'll keep playing games till you fuck off. No, there's no more saving face. You gon' pay with pain. I just taste the fame and all my fans, they hate your name. You can't hate me in the next life or the next one again. Cause I really hate you. Cause you made me so blue, and I promise to God I'll cut you off. But really I'm just passing the time. If you let me up in the middle of the night, you know all my self-respect goes out the door, straight through the wall. So baby, could you please make me sound? I'm not in a fire, we can make it worth the while. Get it all, get it try. If not, I might cry.
It's Saturday. I'm so excited. We're doing our day trip today to Istan, so I'm gonna start getting ready and take you guys with us. I'm gonna do a little makeup look. We just got back from the gym, so I'm looking a little rough. I think we're gonna be doing like some nature trails there because it's like up in the mountains, and then we're gonna explore, have dinner in the village and stuff. So let's go get ready. Testing. Good morning, vlog. It's what day is it? It's Wednesday morning / afternoon, and I feel like I've been kind of sick since yesterday. I woke up with a really bad sore throat, and today I just feel like I'm rotting, if you know what I mean. But the vlog must go on, and we had a really fun weekend exploring Istan and Malaga, which are both like about 30 minutes away. It's gonna be a nice chill work from home day. It's really gorgeous and sunny out. I think we're gonna go to the gym, and then we're gonna go grocery shopping, and we're gonna try and film, edit, and upload a YouTube mix today, because I just realized it's been a week and I don't like to go more than 7 days. So I'll have some BTS of me filming a DJ mix. Will be cool. I'm probably gonna do a faceless one today because I was thinking about it, and your girl just does not feel up to doing hair and makeup. So what I usually do when I film my faceless mixes, I just record the internal audio on my laptop, and then I make like a quick edit on Final Cut. I've been like working on 2 playlists this weekend that I really love, and I think today we're gonna do like a more chill one that's more summertime vibes, and the other one's definitely night vibes. Like, it goes harder, it's a lot more acid, a lot more techno. This one's a little bit more like stutter house, chill, trancey, like techno, if you know what I mean. So I'm excited to film that later. I think that'll put me in a better mood. Yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys BTS on my at-home sick day. Maybe this will be the last day of vlog, and then I'll probably try and edit and upload this because I want to start a new vlog for this weekend. We're gonna go out. It's Mateo's friend's birthday, so I'm hoping to finally see what the nightlife is here like. Yeah, let's go enjoy our Wednesday.
You say you wanna make it happen. You know what I want. Don't try to fight the heavens. Good girls aren't the one. I'm a flower in the bloom. I could shower you with love. You can keep the keys. Unlock your dreams. Say the magic word. You know I'm all yours. This love is a thing of the boundaries. You took the words right out of my mind. Just need a good These guys don't finish last. They just wanna take their time.
Baby girl, I was hoping we could take it slow. You the type of dime I'm really trying to get to know. If it's cool with you, maybe we could hit the show. I could take you places you ain't know you wanna go. Baby girl, slow it down before you catch a feeling. You don't know this where I've been, I have been.
Okay guys, before we close out this vlog, I just wanted to do a little, not a story time, but just kind of like sharing my experience moving to Spain as an American, since I've been here for a few months, and the culture shocks I've just personally experienced as an American. I don't know, culture shock sounds like something negative, but everything I've experienced here has been so positive. Basically, Americans live to work and Europeans work to live. Yeah, that's 1,000% true, especially here in Spain. The culture here is just very laid back. It's not even that it's just laid back, it's just that the work-life balance here is such a priority, and taking time to be present and spending time with family, friends, just enjoying a coffee at a cafe, spending time at the park, in nature, whatever it may be, is kind of seen as productive. And in America, you just kind of feel guilty when you're not producing. At least that's like here. On Sundays, most businesses aren't open. They have Spanish holidays all the time. If it's a Spanish holiday, then everything will be closed. Like, nothing is going to be open. People don't work 8 hours a day. There's a siesta from usually 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Most businesses will be closed, and restaurants aren't usually open from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. because they're taking a break. It's siesta time. Yeah, I really love that. It's really changed my perspective a lot coming here. I definitely been kind of unlearning the fact that being productive all the time is not the meaning of life. Still working on that one. Here it's just a lot. The energy is just a lot more calming, and it's nice. It's really nice to experience that. Nice to experience something new, especially when it comes to to a different culture, and it kind of changes your perspective from being a little bit negative to something a little bit more positive. If you're an American and you're considering Spain as being your place to live for a while, or maybe you're just deciding where you want to vacation for a couple weeks even, I definitely recommend Spain, especially if you're someone that works a 9 to 5 or is just super stressed when it comes to working in their job, or you just feel like, you know, if you're not being productive or if you don't have 10 side hustles, then you're not like worthy as a human. Please, please, please choose Spain. Come to Spain, come and experience the culture, the vibes. You will feel refreshed, you'll feel different, and you're gonna see that contrast, the difference in culture from Spanish people versus American people, and it's so beautiful. Truly. So yeah, I'm gonna end out this vlog here, and I'm starting a new one today. It's super fun weekend, so get ready. Subscribe, like, comment, you know the drill. Smash the subscribe button. Why did YouTubers say that? Like, I think about that every day. That's like my Roman Empire. Like, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Why? Anyway, smash the like button. And I will see you guys in my next DJ mix or vlog.